we are flipping for coins. Outcomes in the sample space are represented by strings of H's and T's, such as TTHT and HHTT. How many elements are there in this sample space? So using the fundamental counting principle, we know that we have 4 separate coins. So we have coin 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each coin can be flipped twice, either for heads or tails. So the number of ways that each coin can be flipped is 2. And after multiplying 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that gives us 16. So we have a total of 16 elements in this sample space. For the next question item, we're asked to express the event "there are more tails than heads" as a set. And after looking at each of the options, the answer would have to be A. There are 5 events that happen in this set, and each of the events, there are more tails than heads. The next question is, what is the probability that there are more tails than heads? So we're going to use the formula for the probability of an event, where we use the number of times E occurs, which we've already determined in our answer for B, which is 5. And we divide that by the number of times the experiment is performed. And of course, that is given to us in answer A, which is 16. So the probability that there are more tails than heads is 5/16. And the last part of the question asks, what is the probability that there are an equal number of tails and heads? So we're still flipping for coins. So let's begin to build those events. And the last question asks, what is the probability that there are an equal number of tails and heads? So we're still looking at flipping for coins. So to have an equal number of tails, 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 we'd have an equal number of heads. We can also have heads and heads, and tails and tails. A tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, and head, tails, head, tails. So we have a total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 events. We still have the number 16 as our sample size, sample space. So after reducing the fraction, we have the probability of 3/8.